Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you enjoyed today's ASMR holiday video. I'm going to share all of my tips for hosting and setting up your table for the holidays. We're going to do 2 Luxe tablescapes, one for Christmas and the other for Thanksgiving. Almost everything I'm using I found somewhere in the house. I made a last-minute run to Trader Joe's and the thrift store to get some flowers and candlestick holders. I also picked up a wreath from Trader Joe's, all of them ranging from $1 to $3. One of the great things about going the extra mile to set up your table is it gives your guests an experience. So let's jump right into it. First, start by cleaning your table. There is no right or wrong way to set up a table, but there are some rules and tips that you do need to follow to make it look more presentable. The first thing is that you should always experiment with different placements and ideas. For example, I'm using a table runner, but I'm not quite sure which one I want to use. So throughout this video, you'll see me experiment with different looks, and I'll keep going until I find what feels right to me. Once you decide on a table runner, you want to get a charger. The charger is simply something that you place your plates on. I had to decide between the red and the gold. I decided to use red for the Christmas look. I found a piece of decor that we usually use to wrap around the banister for Christmas. I wanted to use it as a centerpiece. You see me here bending the piece into different curves. I'm forming a wave-like pattern. But I'm going to take the leaves from the real wreath and place it throughout the piece. I'm placing it in different spots to make it look more full. I have decided to get sets of 3 plates, one for the salad, appetizers, and the main dish. Next, I'm going to be using candlestick holders and placing candles in them to create more of an ambiance. The key to setting up your table is to create a variation of heights and placements. You also want to keep symmetry in mind when placing items. When setting up your silverware, you want to have a fork on the left side and your knife and spoons on the right side. Drinking glasses also go on the right side. I love these gold coasters because they really pop on the table. I couldn't decide which holders to use, so I ultimately decided to go with the classic silver ones. We'll just light those candles and we'll be ready to go. This really looks amazing. I wish I could keep it, but it's time to move on to look number 2, Thanksgiving. So for Thanksgiving, I went ahead and left the runner that we previously used for the Christmas look. The only difference is I took off the gold runner that was on top. So I bought these plants at Trader Joe's. I thought they really embodied fall. I went and cut them short and then put a variety of them in mason jars. I found this brown bowl in the house and it really reminded me of Thanksgiving. So I'm gonna fill it with the pomegranates. Pomegranates are one of my favorite decor pieces to use for Thanksgiving. I'm placing a black cake holder on the other side to balance out the pomegranates. Now I'm taking this table runner that I found at the thrift store. It's been washed and cut into squares so that I can use it as napkins. I just absolutely love the pattern and I think it's perfect for Thanksgiving. To set up napkins, I'm simply lifting it up from the middle and then placing the napkin holder ring on top. It's really easy to do. I'm giving our guests drinking glasses and champagne glasses. We don't drink in this household, but we do enjoy sparkling cider occasionally. I decided to use way less candles for this look, as I didn't want to take away from the centerpieces. I usually just place 2 to 3 water bottles on the table so that guests can easily access water throughout dinner. And that's the final Thanksgiving look. Let's take a look at the final product.
Silent night, I only have one wish for the shooting star. Holy night, send me someone to love so I can hold their hand while we're ice skating round the tree in Central Park. Kiss them under the mistletoe. Oh, I want a Christmas kind of spark. Santa Claus, do you know Cupid sent his arrow straight to my heart? Waterfall in love this Christmas. Santa, that would be the greatest gift of all. Turtle doves and all my favorite things come in sets of 2. So does love. Send me someone I can talk to. We'll share stories of